Hello guys, I'm Zora from Yungu Enclosure. Today I'm going to talk about what are power inverters and how do they work. Batteries in automobiles are pretty potent. After all, it would help if you kept the lights on, the air conditioning and the electronics in your car running. The battery's electronic current and the current these gadgets requires are different. Types of inverters: pure sine waves, square waves, or modified sine waves are the three primary waveforms generated by most power inverters. Benefits of power inverters: 1. Energy saving by managing motor rotation. Inverters may minimize energy used by 20 to 50%. 2. Softer status. The motor is kicked off by a lower frequency power supply for an inverter or AC drive. Over time, it steadily turns up the energy and the frequency to the set point. 3. Controlled starting. Current starting an AC motor requires approximately 7 to 8 times the full load current. 4. Reduced power line disturbances. If an AC motor is started across the line, it puts a significant load on the power grid and lead to a drop of voltage. 5. Quickly changes the direction of rotation. Modern inverters or variable frequency drivers can withstand abrupt starts and stops. 6. Simple installation. Modern electronic inverters include programming. 7. Adjustable torque. Limited an inverter can prevent motor failure by precisely the regulation applied to the machine. 8. Elimination of mechanical drive components without additional equipment like speed increasing or reducing boxes. A power inverter can supply the exact range of speeds required by the load. Why do inverters need enclosures? The inverter is responsible for changing the power being generated into useful electricity. Without an adequate protection from extreme temperatures and environmental variables, the inverter's performance will decrease, and the end user will have to pay the price. There's no universal method for protecting inverters from failures, as each application has specific requirements. Yungu in electronic enclosures for inverter protection is designed and manufactured by Yungu, an industry leader in China aluminum parts manufacturer. Whether you need thousands of aluminum annual products for a lot or just a few to get things rolling on a big long-term project, our metal enclosures are flexible and adaptable. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us. And see you next time. Bye bye.